Hello everyone, my name is Rafiat and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, you're also welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I call this juice the long life juice. Yes, literally this juice will make your life smooth and you'll live longer, trust me. So let's get right into it. So these are the ingredients and there are 5 of them. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these ingredients, and luckily they are readily available ingredients. So of course we have to prepare the ingredients, and I'm just adding some salt to some clean water, and I'm going to add the pineapple, and I'm going to use my hand brush to wash this. The salt is going to help get rid of the dirt, the germs and all of that. So pineapple is a tropical fruit and it's known for its beautiful color, flavor, sweetness. Of course, when you get the right one, but naturally they are known for their sweetness and they have very high water content. So the reason I'm adding pineapple to this juice is because of one of its most useful properties. Pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties, and this is because it contains an enzyme called bromelain, and this enzyme is known for years that it prevents inflammation in different ways. For instance, this component helps prevent acne, dermatitis, eczema, and thereby rejuvenating the skin. It's going to help you get rid of all the dead skin cells, leaving your skin popping. This particular feature is tested and trusted. So in my skincare journey, I added pineapple juice. I take pineapple juice a lot, and trust me, I've seen the results. So yeah, pineapple is very good for your skin. It's also very important to mention that one of the oldest uses of pineapple is in constipation. It helps get rid of constipation, and it's also very good for the digestive system. It's also good for the eye health and the oral health. And I also noticed something during my course of research. I read somewhere that it's a great wound healer. Back in the days that when people had wounds, they are advised to take pineapple or pineapple juice or eat pineapple, that they're very good in wound healing, and they also protect against different kinds of infections. So yeah, pineapple is an integral component of this juice, and I've just told you the different reasons. So of course, after peeling the pineapple, washing and peeling, I cut them open. Now I'm just going to slice them into smaller pieces to make it easy for my blender and my juicer. I'm going to show different ways to make this juice. So it's very important to cut the pineapple into smaller chunks so that the juicer or the blender, whichever one you end up using, it can be very easy for you to do that. So our star ingredient is beetroot. Beetroot is a root plant and it's a superfood. It's also known for its vibrant color. You guys, do you know that beetroot has been used for many years as a hair dye? And even the pink lips balm we all know, it's actually made from beetroot, and also a lot of lipsticks are made from beetroot because of its vibrant color. But we're not using it for color this time around. So beetroots are packed with essential nutrients like folate, vitamin C and iron. And this iron is the coolest part. Iron is greatly needed in the blood, which is why beetroot is used to improve the blood flow. It helps regulate blood pressure as well. It's a blood tonic, very good for the blood. A lot of research has proved that beetroot is good for the blood flow. It helps blood gets pumped properly, and it purifies the blood. Generally, that is what it's known for. It purifies the blood, and which is why it's an important part of this juice, and that is why I said is the star ingredient. Do you know why a lot of fitness coaches, exercise coaches, and all that they emphasize the importance of beetroot? That's because beetroot is a great source of stamina. So that's why they encourage you to add beetroot to your juices, your smoothies. Beetroot gives stamina, a well-known source of stamina. Another important component of beetroot is folate, and this folate is very good for the blood vessels since it prevents them from getting damaged in any way. Since folate helps maintain the blood vessels which are tasked with carrying blood, it's going to prevent heart disease, stroke and all the bad stuff. So yes, please make sure you add enough beetroot to your juice. Beetroot is also good for the digestive system and the brain. Another very important thing to note about beetroot is the role it plays in cancer prevention. Very important role. Now, beetroot is known to slow down the growth of cancer cells. So this cancer prevention is another reason why you are encouraged to consume enough beetroot, whether in smoothies, juices, anyhow. Beetroot is very good. Our next ingredient is carrots, and of course we all know how important carrot is. It's loaded with nutrients that are very good for the body, from vitamin A to vitamin C, vitamin K, carotene, and a lot more. The vitamin A content is perfect for your eyes, whereas the vitamin C content is going to make your skin pop, as well as the carotene. Also, the vitamin K content is going to keep your joints, your muscles very strong. You guys, carrot is a must have, so yeah, make sure you add enough carrots. So the next ingredient is ginger. Ginger has been used for so long due to its medicinal and health benefits. It's perfect for your heart health, your digestive system. In fact, it's perfect for all the body systems, which is why it's very good to add ginger to basically any juice you're making. It's going to keep your skin popping. That's another very good reason why you should add ginger to your juice. It's also very good for the skin. So now I'm just going to transfer all the ingredients into the bowl of water. I already added a little bit of salt to the water. Now I'm just going to rinse that thoroughly. Once I'm done with that, we're going to talk about the last ingredients. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt into the water before introducing our last ingredient. Our last ingredient is cucumber, and they are very good for the body. They are known for their high water content, high nutrients content, and low calorie level. And this low calorie level is why it's also good when you're trying to lose weight. They're also known for their high level of antioxidants, and these antioxidants are very important when fighting infections and diseases in the body. Another lovely reason why you should add them to your juice is that they are going to help control blood sugar and in turn decrease the chances of having diabetes. They also relieve constipation and help the body fight against all sorts of digestive parasites and worms. Because of their high water content, they are going to help the body stay hydrated, and of course they are also very good for keeping the breath fresh. So now that we are done with all that, let's go ahead and start blending. So I'm just going to add the ingredients into the blender. I just added half of the ingredients because I'm going to show you two ways of juicing. So I just added half of the ingredients into the blender, and I'm just adding some water. I added about 1.5 cups of water. So let's get blending. So you can use any kind of blender. It could be a high-speed blender. Any kind of blender can actually blend these ingredients. They are not particularly hard ingredients, so any blender you have at home can do this for you. So after blending for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, go ahead and pass this through a sieve. And to make it even easier, you can use a spoon to stir this so that the liquid can pass through the sieve easily. Once you're done squeezing out the juice from the blended fruits, go ahead and discard this. But if you really want to use it, you can add it to anything you're baking, maybe cake, muffins, any of that. And that's it for the blender. So the second method is using a juicer, and this is really straightforward. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is add your fruits into the juicer. So I've added all the fruits that we diced earlier and vegetables, and turn on the juicer, and the juicer does the job. You can use any kind of good quality juicer for this. The really good thing about using a juicer is that you don't have to do much. Your own is just put the fruits in the juicer, turn it on, and it does the job. So one container is for the chaff and the other container is for the juice itself. So that's it. Now I'm just going to mix all of them together because they are basically the same ingredients. The one in the bowl is from the blender and the other one is from the juicer. So I just added one to the other and I'm mixing everything together. And this is how I make my long life juice. There are a lot of lovely things about this juice. Not only are the ingredients readily available, they are very nutritious, and you guys, the juice is beautiful. Look how rich the color is. So this is how I make my long life juice, and this juice is going to make your skin pop. It's going to boost the immunity, help with proper blood flow, help prevent diabetes and cancer, and a lot more. You guys, this one is something I really would love you to add to your diet. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe.